In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add contacts in Xero. This quick guide will help you navigate through the Xero platform with ease and confidence, ensuring you can efficiently manage your contacts. So, let's get started. First, head over to the Xero accounting software homepage. Once you're there, look for the login button. It's usually prominently displayed, making it easy to spot. Click on it to proceed to the login screen. Here you'll need to enter your email and password. It's important to double check your details to avoid login issues. Once done, click the login button again to access your account. Once inside, you'll find yourself on the Xero dashboard. This is your central hub where you can access various features and functionalities. To begin adding a new contact, navigate to the Contacts section. Simply click on the Contacts tab, which directs you to the contact list. Here, you can manage and organize existing contacts. Now click on All Contacts to view a complete list of contacts within your account. This section helps manage relationships with both customers and suppliers, keeping everything streamlined and accessible. To add a new one, find the New Contact button and click on it. This will open a new contact form where you can enter relevant details. Begin by filling in the basic information for your customer or supplier. This includes their name and any other essential details that pertain to your business relationship. Next, you'll need to provide their addresses. Xero organizes information well, ensuring everything is compartmentalized for ease of use. Once you've added their address, enter financial details specific to your contact. These include any relevant payment terms or financial arrangements you have. Accurate financial information is key to maintaining smooth transactions and communication, so take your time to ensure everything is correct. After filling out all the necessary fields, be sure to click on Save and Close. This action saves the information and closes the form, adding your new contact to your list. Xero is designed to help automate and streamline processes, so your contact is automatically grouped based on the transactions you initiate with them, categorizing them as customers, suppliers, or both. However, if you need to manually check or change this categorization, head back to the Contacts section. You can easily select either customer or supplier, depending on how you plan to interact with the contact. This flexibility ensures your contact management remains dynamic and tailored to your business needs. And there you have it, you've successfully added a new contact in Xero. The process is straightforward once you get the hang of it, and Xero's intuitive design makes managing your contacts simple and efficient. Remember, keeping your contacts organized not only enhances communication, but also strengthens your business relationships. Thanks for watching and happy Xero management.